And 3, 2, 1. Hey, what's up mga bad boys? Bagon pala kayo sa channel ko, mag-subscribe
A
na kayo dyan.
few moments
Pinipili
later.
yung bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong upload na videos. For more upcoming my video, click to subscribe, like, share, don't forget to comment, like the description box below. For the race mail vlog, Honda Click 125 version 4 2026. Engine type 125 cc, liquid cooled, 2 valves, single overhead cam, FI power, engine displacement 125 cc, cubic centimeter, engine maximum of power at 8.26 kilowatt at 8,500 rpm. Maximum of torque 11.0 Newton meter at torque at 5,000 rpm. Fuel system FI fuel injection with approximately 49.3 by 50.3 millimeter 50 50 50 50 kilometer per liter. Efficiently fuel capacity 5.5 liters. Transmission automatic B automatic. Weight at 111 kg. Curb weight 111. Seat height 769 millimeter. Front tire 110 by 80 by 14. Rear tire 90 by 80 by 14. Rear brake combined brake system or CBS, hydraulic disc, front drum brake, rear. Key features: new of USB Type-C charger, full digital meter panel, 18 liters utility box, new sport headlight taillight design, variable standard, key shutter and smart edition. Key difference update design updated, more aggressive style with new side bend design with design grab bar. Technology USB Type-C charge added to convenience. Performance proof power of weight ratio with lighter com, com, comment. Ito nga pala ay itong bagong 2026 na nilabas ni Honda Click sa any branch ng Honda ay isa siyang high-tech ngayon. Keyless idle system. And then isa siyang automatic transmission. Then ang liters niya ay ang capacity niyang yung oldest na tangke ay nasa 4.3 liters. Ngayon, ang tinaas naman niyang laki ng tangke ay nasa 5.5 liters ang capacity. Ang timbang niya ay 111 kg. Ang sukat niya sukat ng gulong niya ay sa harap ay 90 by 80 by 14. Rear tire ay 110 by 80 by 14. Tubeless. Ang nilagay niya ay ang gulong niya ay brand ay Michelin Sports. Ang utility box ay 18 liters na medyo sporty, at yung headlight niya ay naka-LED na siya at may smart connect. Tapos at yung mismong charger niya ay isang Type C na siya, Type C. Type C. Ngayon, 2026 model. Ang kulay niya ay metallic bronze brown ay nakahalaga ay 82,400. Vlog.
Ba't hindi mo ipag-aralan mo na bago ka mag-vlog?
Pinag-aralan ko to bago ko mag-vlog.
Ba't hindi mo alam?
Alam ko naman ang available niya kulay ay white, red, and black. Ang bago ngayon ay isang bronze brown, metallic brown. At ang power niya 8.26 kilowatt at 8,500 RPM. Ang Newton meter torque naman niya ay 11.0 by 11.5 Newton meter torque at 5,000 RPM. Ang fuel system niya ay fuel injection with approximately 49.3 by 50.3 kilometers per liter efficiently. Ang timbang niya ay 11 kilogram. Seat height niya ay 769 mm. Ang looks naman niya medyo pagka-adventure. Ang gulong niya tubeless front and rear. Ang panel niya ay digital, may gear indicator, gas indicator, and check engine, and headlight, and then taillight design. Medyo pinaangas nila ang bago ngayon na headlight nila. Sana may natutunan ka sa aking vlog at huwag kang magayang laging mag-subscribe at don't forget to like and share and subscribe and click notification bell for more updated and for more upload my videos. See you on the next one. Babush. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching this my vlog. See you on the next one. Babush.